Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add a pod file to your existing Xcode project. In this video, I'm assuming that you already have CocoaPods installed on your machine, and if you don't, please check the link in the description box below. So the first step to actually install a pod file in your project is to close any existing Xcode projects that you have running. Next, let's open Terminal. I'm doing command search to open the Spotlight, search for Terminal. Now in Terminal, if you haven't used Terminal before, please bear with me. It's really simple. Our file is on the desktop, so let's write just a basic command. CD stands for change directory, desktop, and now we are in our desktop directory. You can do ls command to list all the files on the desktop, and you can see that our new project folder is also there. So let's navigate to our folder, cd new project. Just make sure that you are spelling it correctly. Now here is the important part. Next, we have to ask the CocoaPods to actually create a file called pod file. To do that, we will do a command pod init and press enter, and you will see that very soon we will have another file called pod file. Pod file is created so that it can store our project's CocoaPod configuration. Now the pod file, you can actually open this with any text editor software that you have installed on your computer, or we can also open pod file with xcode. Now you can see here the pod file is a text edit document, and by default it will actually open with text edit. I don't prefer using text edit because it can replace the standard codes with more graphically appealing codes, and that can cause CocoaPods to become confused and throw errors. So instead, let's use xcode. We will use the command open-a xcode, and the x is in uppercase, pod file. Now this will open our pod file in xcode, as you can see here. If you're used to programming only in Swift, this may look a bit strange because the pod file is actually written in Ruby. In Ruby, the hashtag is for comment, and here you can see the line hashtag pods for new project. This is the one where we will request specific frameworks and have them installed into our project. To actually use a pod file, you don't need to learn Ruby, but you do need to know that even a minor text errors can cause CocoaPods to throw errors. For the demo purpose here, we will be using Gemini. It is a iOS framework that adds really cool animations to your UI collection views if you're using them in your app. So we will just be adding this to our new project. So let's go back to our pod file, and here first uncomment this first line. Yeah, just delete this hashtag along with the first line, and then under the pods for new project we will write pod, and be sure to use just single quotes, and Gemini, Gemini. Be very careful with your spellings, and the G in Gemini is in uppercase, and save your file. In Terminal, let's run the command pod install. This will ask CocoaPods to add Gemini to our project. This will take some time, and here you go. You can see some new files popping up in our new project folder. And here it says that please close any current Xcode sessions and use new project.xc workspace. Basically, CocoaPod did not change your .xcode project file. That's the same. Instead, it generated a new Xcode workspace, which you will be using from now on. So that's it from me today. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.